Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to all of you guys in Easy English channel. Today we will learn about pronoun, which is the basic terms of English literature and the English grammar. Here are some outlines given related to the pronoun. We will cover in our today lecture these basics outlines, definition, examples and different types of the pronoun. Let's start our today lecture. What is meant by pronoun? The words which is used instead of the noun as well as which is used in the place of noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, etc. We are young. In a sentence, here we is represented as a pronoun which is used in the place of noun. For example, Ali is young. Here we remove and replace the noun with we. So pronoun is used in the place of noun. There are different types of pronoun. There are different types of pronoun. There are different types of pronoun. First one is personal pronoun. What is meant by personal pronoun? Pronoun which refers to a particular person, group or a thing is known as a personal pronoun. For example, he, she, it, I, they, etc. There are two types of personal pronoun. Two types of personal pronoun, which is subject personal pronoun and object personal pronoun. What is meant by subject personal pronoun? Here pronoun is used and act as a subject of the word. Sentence is called subject personal pronoun. For example, I would like to go party. Here I is used at the place of the subject, so it play the role of subject personal pronoun. Second one is object personal pronoun. What is meant by object personal pronoun? Here the pronoun act as the object of the sentence or object of the verb. So here this is play the role of object personal pronoun. The second type of the pronoun is emphatic pronoun. What is meant by emphatic pronoun? Emphatics mean emphasizing of something. Emphatic mean emphasizing of something. For example, that emphasizing preceding noun or an other pronoun is called emphatic pronoun. We can also say that which is used in the shape of emphasizing is called emphatic pronoun. Here is an example. She herself cooked the food. Here herself is the example of emphatic pronoun and precedes the noun. So this is example of emphatic pronoun. One more is that he himself said so. Here himself precedes the pronoun which is he. So this is example of emphatic pronoun. And next one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun we can define as when the actions done by the subject turns back upon the subject is known as a reflexive pronoun. We can also say that reflect upon the subject. For example, I can serve myself. Here myself reflects upon the subject I. One more example is that I hurt myself. Here hurt by myself, myself reflect to the subject which is I. So we said that reflexive pronoun. Next one is demonstrative pronoun. What is meant by demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means pointing out. So we can define it as the pronouns which are used to pointing out the subjects which is referred is called demonstrative pronouns. For example, that, does, these, this, etc. Here is example. This book is mine. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun which refers that book is mine to shows pointing out the book is mine. Here is an example of demonstrative pronoun. Now we discuss other type of pronoun which is distributive pronoun. By the name of distribution shows that separated of things to distributes the things. So we can define as distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns that they refers to person or a thing one at a time. One at a time is called distributed pronoun. For example, one by one separated rather than collective is the basic definition of pronoun. Distributive pronoun one by one separated rather than collective. For example, each, either, neither are also types and the examples of distributed pronoun. What is meant by either? Either means that one or the other of two. One of the other of two. And what is meant by neither? Neither means that not the one nor the others of two. It is a negative of either. For example, we can take example. These men receive each a reward. Here these shows that distributive pronouns separated by one rather than collective is the example of distributive pronoun. What is meant by indefinite pronoun? By the name of indefinite shows that here pronoun is used to refer the person or things in a general way, but do not refer a person or place in a particular way is called indefinite pronouns. We can also say that indefinite pronouns which is refer unspecific persons. For example, some are nobody. Here is the example. Some are born great. Here does not refer to a particular things rather than collective. Next one is relative pronoun. Relative name shows that which produce a link between two different words or a sentences. Also works as a conjunction in a sentence, which show relations one pronoun sentences to another. For example, here is a book that you lent me. Here, that is the example of relative pronouns which act as the conjunction, also relate the two sentences with each others. One more example is that I like Seema, who likes me. Here, who represent the relative pronoun. Next one is interrogative pronoun. By the name shows that interrogative means in which we can create a question. For example, who, whose, and the which, asking questions in an interrogative pronoun. For example, who bought a pen, in which who is used as a pronoun which asks the question about a pen. Next one is exclamatory pronoun. Exclamatory pronouns means that it is used to express surprise or disbelief and the shocking way of something. These pronoun known as a exclamatory pronoun. For example, what a beautiful scene, what a beautiful home is represent that expression. Here what is a exclamatory pronoun. What is meant by possessive pronoun? Possessive shows that possession in which the pronoun which is used to show possession is known as a possessive pronoun in which shows the ownership of something. These words, for example, mine, my, and hers, is used to show the possession. For example, this book is mine. Here also same thing is that this book is mine. Mine shows that possession. This book is mine. So in today's lecture we will learn about these outlines. This is all from my side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.